12 ways to fix pimples for good, not just cover them till tomorrow. Chris Pine, the future Captain Kirk, lost the lead role in the series The OC in his youth because of severe acne, and he admitted himself it left him with a little bit of PTSD. So yeah, pimples have wrecked even Hollywood careers, but you really can get rid of them systematically and for good. Number 1, change your pillowcase 2 or 3 times a week and get your phone off your face. Think about it. 7 hours every night you're rubbing your face against fabric that's collected a week's worth of oil, sweat, and bacteria. Then you press against your cheek a phone that's dirtier than a toilet seat. A fresh pillowcase and a clean screen are literally free skincare you ignore every single day. Number 2, don't touch and don't pop. Period. I know, the temptation is hellish. But every time you squeeze a pimple, you drive the infection deeper, stretch the healing out for weeks, and gift yourself a scar or a dark spot for months. One moment of satisfaction, and a crater to remember it by. Hands off your face. Number 3, wash only once or twice a day with a gentle cleanser. The more I scrub, the cleaner it gets logic doesn't work here. Strip away the protective layer, and your skin panics and pumps out even more oil. Morning and evening, warm water. No fanaticism. Number 4, moisturizer and sunscreen, both non-comedogenic. Yes, even oily skin needs hydration. Dried out skin compensates with a double dose of sebum. And SPF keeps the dark marks from old pimples from setting in permanently. Look for the words non-comedogenic on the label, meaning won't clog your pores. Now the actives, the heavy artillery against pimples. Number 5, salicylic acid. It dissolves in oil and crawls inside the pore, cleaning it out from within of sebum and dead cells. This is your main weapon against blackheads and under-the-skin bumps. It works where a face wash can't even reach. Number 6, benzoyl peroxide, the gold standard against red, inflamed pimples. It kills bacteria and puts out the inflammation. Apply it in the morning. Just one warning. It bleaches fabric, so keep your towel and pillowcase white, or it'll decorate the colored ones with spots. Number 7, a retinoid, the same adapalene or different. This is the actual key to the word permanently. It speeds up cell turnover and keeps your pores from clogging in the first place. It's not a quick firefighting job. It's prevention, so there's no fire to begin with. Apply it at night. Start twice a week, because your skin might grumble at first. Number 8, niacinamide. It keeps oiliness under control and calms redness. The perfect partner to acids. One cleans the pore, the other soothes the irritation. Number 9, azelaic acid, the underrated hero. 2 in 1. It kills bacteria and, at the same time, fades the dark spots left behind after pimples. If your problem isn't the pimples so much as the marks they leave, this one's for you. Number 10, don't mix everything at once or you'll torch your face. The classic beginner mistake. Slather on 5 actives together and strip your skin raw. The rule is simple. Benzoyl peroxide in the morning, acid or retinoid at night, or on alternating days while your skin adjusts. Less is more. Now from the inside, because some pimples grow not on your skin, but on your plate. Number 11, cut the fast sugar and fast food. White bread, sweets, and fries spike your insulin, and that drives sebum production and inflammation. Fewer sugar spikes, fewer breakouts. This isn't a 1-week diet, it's a new baseline. Number 12, cut dairy for 3 or 4 weeks and see what happens. Skim milk especially. It contains growth hormones that raise IGF-1, which literally pushes oil into your pores. Yogurt and cheese are usually fine. Keep a food journal. That's how you find your personal trigger, not someone else's. And if your pimples are deep, painful, cystic, or won't clear for months, don't play chemist. Go to a dermatologist. That's where you get prescription retinoids and Accutane, which can sometimes clear acne for good, the very drug Pete Davidson has talked about openly. Drop a comment telling me what you'll try first, and subscribe. There are plenty more upgrades for your look coming.